This summer, we served more scholars than ever before, awarding 3,000 scholarships to scholars across the globe. From Olympia, Washington, to the Big Apple, to London, to Mumbai, this incredible community was able to leverage technology to grow in ways we never imagined. In our most diverse cohort to date, 85% of our scholars identified as people of color, and our attendees represented 45 states and over 70 countries. We were even able to host camps specifically for scholars in India and Europe.
This is the most global, extraordinary group. I can't believe we have scholars zooming in right now from all four corners of the earth, actually.
We trained over 200 incredible instructional leaders to lead camps. On June 6th, we uploaded our favorite Zoom backgrounds, downloaded Xcode, and welcomed our first group of scholars to summer 2021.
Here is we can combine that wonderful conditionals knowledge.
In the chat, tell me what code should I type into my HTML file to create a button.
In addition to coding, our scholars participated in Culture of Tech sessions, which put the gender gap in tech, bias in AI, and lack of representation in STEAM under the microscope, and armed our scholars to engage with those difficult topics in the real world.
Being able to be around all these role model shows, girls, especially little girls, as long as you have a willingness to learn, then we'll have a willingness to teach you.
It was really that session that I learned for the first time, what does it mean to be a woman in tech?
We heard from inspiring speakers who shared their diverse viewpoints and non-traditional paths to their tech careers.
It takes a lot of courage to be yourself, but be brave, be you, and let your sparkle shine.
Over the course of the summer, in 54 camps, scholars built over 600 websites, mobile applications, and data visualizations using their newfound coding knowledge in languages from Swift to Python. Instructors, instructor assistants, and mentors coached them along the way, from wireframed pitches to minimum viable products presented at Demo Day. Our scholars are dedicated to creating a better world, which was reflected in their final projects. From websites that connect users to local mental health professionals, to data visualizations that show inequities, to mobile apps that direct users to their local representatives. This incredible group of young scholars are poised to change the world through technology.
Wow, I am blown away.
You did this in days. This was not even weeks, this was days.
Our scholars worked hard, of course, but they played hard too. With night hacks, brain breaks, TikTok dances, meditation, theme days, and well, you get the idea.
We are so proud that our camp experience is truly path-changing. While only 20% of our scholars come in with prior computer science experience, 90% leave planning to study STEM in college. With an incredible summer behind us, our scholars now join our alumni community of 8,000, who we continue to support by placing them in internships, inspiring them through fascinating talks and workshops, inviting them to challenges and hackathons, and much more. These brilliant scholars now join the new face of tech as they grow and change the world together.
We can't express how thankful and lucky we feel to have been able to serve our largest cohort of scholars. None of this would have been possible without our incredible network of partners, instructors, supporters, and champions. On behalf of the entire Code with Klossy community, thank you.